You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video to solve you guys problems step by step, alright? And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Craigslist account, alright? So first step is you just gotta search for Craigslist. After you search for Craigslist, before moving on to the next step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, alright? So Craigslist is an American advertisement website where you guys can find jobs as well as buy houses and sell your stuff, as well as find items which are wanted and find other services as well as community service and other stuff. You can basically find a lot of stuff on Craigslist, but remember there's not a certain group which maintains rules and regulation in Craigslist. It's a pretty free website, so there's also dangers alongside with it. It's a really good website as well as a bad website, because you gotta be careful with it, alright? So I'm just gonna warn you guys about it. And it is really good as well. You can also find jobs, sell your items, and a lot of stuff in cheap way. You can also find free stuff in Craigslist. So yeah, now just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's move on. First step, search for Craigslist and click on Craigslist site, and it's gonna take you to the website of Craigslist. It's a simple website. There's not much about it, alright? You can choose whichever category you want to go into, alright? But in order to log in into it, click on versus my account. Once you click on my account, it's gonna bring you over here. Now in order to log in into your account, you can enter an email. So I'm gonna enter my email over here real quick. After enter your email, you can click on versus email me a login. Once you click on it, basically a login link will be sent to your mail. Now you can go to this mail and check the mail sent by Craigslist, and inside that mail there's gonna be a link. You want to open your mail, click on the link sent by Craigslist, and your account will open up. That's one way to log in into your account. The other way to log in is enter your email address and then enter the password of your account over here real quick and click on log. And if the email and password entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Craigslist account. There's two ways. One is through your mail, one is through your passport. And if you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password to recover your password as well, alright? Yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Craigslist account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.